Elon Musk life story. Elon Musk, born June 28, 1971, is a businessman known for his leadership of Tesla, SpaceX, and X, formerly Twitter. Since 2025, he has been a senior advisor to United States President Donald Trump and the de facto head of the Department of Government Efficiency. Doge. Musk has been considered the wealthiest person in the world since 2021. As of March 2025, Forbes estimates his net worth to be $345 billion. He was named Time magazine's Person of the Year in 2021. Born to a wealthy family in Pretoria, South Africa, Musk emigrated in 1989 to Canada. He graduated from the University of Pennsylvania in the U.S. before moving to California to pursue business ventures. In 1995, Musk co-founded the software company Zip2, following its sale. In 1999, he co-founded X.com, an online payment company that later merged to form PayPal, which was acquired by eBay in 2002. That year, Musk also became a U.S. citizen. In 2002, Musk founded the space technology company SpaceX. Becoming its CEO and chief engineer, the company has since led innovations in reusable rockets and commercial spaceflight. Musk joined the automaker Tesla as an early investor in 2004 and became its CEO and product architect in 2008. It has since become a leader in electric vehicles. In 2015, he co-founded OpenAI to advance artificial intelligence research, but later left. Growing discontent with the organization's direction in the 2020s led him to establish XAI. In 2022, he acquired the social network Twitter, implementing significant changes and rebranding it as X. In 2023, in January 2025, he was appointed head of Trump's newly created Doge. His other businesses include the neurotechnology company Neuralink, which he co-founded in 2016, and the tunneling company The Boring Company, which he founded in 2017. Musk's political activities and views have made him a polarizing figure. He has been criticized for making unscientific and misleading statements, including COVID-19 misinformation and promoting conspiracy theories, and affirming anti-Semitic, racist, and transphobic comments. His acquisition of Twitter was controversial due to a subsequent increase in hate speech and the spread of misinformation on the service. Especially since the 2024 U.S. presidential election, Musk has been heavily involved in politics as a vocal supporter of Trump. Musk was the largest donor in the 2024 U.S. presidential election and is a supporter of global far-right figures, causes, and political parties. His role in the second Trump administration, particularly in regards to Doge, has attracted public backlash. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa's administrative capital. He is of British and Pennsylvania Dutch ancestry. His mother, Mai Nehaldeman, is a model and dietitian born in Saskatchewan, Canada, and raised in South Africa. His father, Elon Musk, is a South African electromechanical engineer, pilot, sailor, consultant, emerald dealer, and property developer, who partly owned a rental lodge at Timbavati Private Nature Reserve. His maternal grandfather, Joshua N. Haldeman, who died when Elon was a toddler, was an American-born Canadian chiropractor, aviator, and political activist, who took his family on record-breaking journeys in a single-engine Avia Balanca airplane. Elon has a younger brother, Kimball, a younger sister, Tosca, and 4 paternal half-siblings. Musk was raised in the Anglican Church, in which he was baptized. The Musk family was wealthy during Elon's youth, despite both Elon and Errol previously stating that Errol was a part owner of a Zambian emerald mine. In 2023, Errol recounted that the deal he made was to receive a portion of the emeralds produced at 3 small mines. Errol was elected to the Pretoria City Council as a representative of the anti-apartheid Progressive Party and has said that his children shared their father's dislike of apartheid. After his parents divorced in 1980, Elon chose to live primarily with his father. Elon later regretted his decision and became estranged from his father. Elon has recounted trips to a wilderness school that he described as a paramilitary, Lord of the Flies, where bullying was a virtue, and children were encouraged to fight over rations. In one incident, after an altercation with a fellow pupil, Elon was thrown down concrete steps and beaten severely, leading to him being hospitalized for his injuries. Elon described his father berating him after he was discharged from the hospital. Errol denied berating Elon and claimed the boy had just lost his father to suicide, and Elon had called him stupid. Elon had a tendency to call people stupid. How could I possibly blame that child? Elon was an enthusiastic reader of books, and had attributed his success in part to having read The Lord of the Rings, the Foundation series, and The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. At age 10, he developed an interest in computing and video games, teaching himself how to program from the VIC-20 user manual. At age 12, Elon sold his BASIC-based game, Blaster to PC and Office Technology magazine for approximately $500. Musk attended Waterkloof House Preparatory School, Bryanston High School, and then Pretoria Boys High School, where he graduated. Musk was a good but unexceptional student, earning a 61 in Afrikaans and a B on his senior math certification. Musk applied for a Canadian passport through his Canadian-born mother to avoid South Africa's mandatory military service, which would have forced him to participate in the apartheid regime, as well as to ease his path to immigration to the United States. While waiting for his application to be processed, he attended the University of Pretoria for 5 months. Musk arrived in Canada in June 1989, connected with a second cousin in Saskatchewan, and worked odd jobs including at a farm and a lumber mill. In 1990, he entered Queen's University in Kingston, Ontario. 2 years later, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania, where he studied until 1995. Although Musk has said that he earned his degrees in 1995, the University of Pennsylvania did not award them until 1997 a Bachelor of Arts in Physics and a Bachelor of Science in Economics from the university's Wharton School. He reportedly hosted large ticketed house parties to help pay for tuition, and wrote a business plan for an electronic book scanning service similar to Google Books. In 1994, Musk held 2 internships in Silicon Valley, one at energy storage startup Pinnacle Research Institute, which investigated electrolytic supercapacitors for energy storage, and another at Palo Alto-based startup Rocket Science Games. In 1995, he was accepted to a graduate program in materials science at Stanford University, but did not enroll. Musk decided to join the internet boom, applying for a job at Netscape, to which he reportedly never received a response. The Washington Post reported that Musk lacked legal authorization to remain and work in the United States after failing to enroll at Stanford. In response, Musk said he was allowed to work at that time and that his student visa transitioned to an H-1B. According to numerous former business associates and shareholders, Musk said he was on a student visa at the time. Musk became a U.S. citizen in 2002. From the early 2000s until late 2020, Musk resided in California, where both Tesla and SpaceX were founded. He then relocated to Cameron County, Texas, saying that California had become complacent about its economic success. While hosting Saturday Night Live in 2021, Musk stated that he has Asperger's syndrome, now merged with autism spectrum disorder. Although he has not been formally diagnosed, Musk suffers from back pain and has undergone several spine-related surgeries, including a disc replacement. In 2000, he contracted a severe case of malaria while on vacation in South Africa. Musk has stated he uses doctor-prescribed ketamine for occasional depression and that he doses a small amount once every other week or something like that. Since January 2024, some media outlets have reported that he takes ketamine, marijuana, LSD, ecstasy, mushrooms, cocaine, and other drugs. Musk at first refused to comment on his alleged drug use, before responding that he had not tested positive for drugs, and that if drugs somehow improved his productivity, I would definitely take them. Through his own label, Emo G Records, Musk released a rap track, Rai P. Harambe. On SoundCloud in March 2019, the following year, he released an EDM track, Don't Doubt Vibe, featuring his own lyrics and vocals. Musk plays video games, which he stated has a restoring effect that helps his mental calibration. Some games he plays include Quake, Diablo IV, Elden Ring, and Polytopia. Musk once claimed to be one of the world's top video game players, but has since admitted to account boosting, or cheating by hiring outside services to achieve top player rankings. Musk has justified the boosting by claiming that all top accounts do it, so he has to as well to remain competitive. In 2024 and 2025, Musk criticized the video game Assassin's Creed Shadows and its creator, Ubisoft, for woke content. Musk posted to X that DEI kills art and specified the inclusion of the historical figure Yasuke in the Assassin's Creed game as offensive. He also called the game terrible. Ubisoft responded by saying that Musk's comments were just feeding hatred, and that they were focused on producing a game, not pushing politics.